Hi guys, today we're going to make these cute little shelves using my little corner stamp shelf stamps. So let's just get started. So let's just stamp this onto this board first. And this stamp comes in two pieces. See how I did? Okay, and let's stamp the other side. Okay, let's see if I can line this guy up. Voila, not too bad. Not perfect, but not bad. So, I'm going to try it on these two other boards. So what I'm planning to do is attach this here, but I'm going to try it on these two other boards also. And these are going to stand like if you were doing a corner shelf. So I'll do one on one side and one on the other side. And we're going to see how the two different ways look. Didn't move that too much. And of course these boards are a tad bit rounded. Okay, let's see how I did on that. Well, that's kind of cool. Now let's do the other side. I think I may need to put these on heavier plastic. Just have this on the original packaging and it seems like it doesn't want to stay on real well. Now I'm giving myself just maybe an inch gap at the top where I'm going to be putting my board. So let's see where I want to line up. Okay, probably right there. Hopefully. I think I got it all. We'll find out. Okay, let's now see if I got them to line up. Yeah, not too bad. So I think the stamp would be really fun to build shelves on top of, whether you do it on a piece that's angled or something flat, or even if you just want to do it right on your wall and just add a board. But this is just such a pretty stamp. Another thing I thought of is maybe stamping two of them and adding a circle mirror to the center. And you could even do that, but whatever you do, have fun, experiment, and come up with something great.